back, everyone. So I'm just on my way to let my dog out for a nice little wet, rainy adventure. Popped into the Boler to see how watertight it is, how well it's doing. Brand new windows, as you know. These seals are brand new, and I did an extra step of putting marine grade Sikaflex around, so I know for sure front and back windows are watertight and they're doing really well. Two side windows have brand new seals on them as well, also holding up perfectly. The door doing great, but I came in here to a small puddle of water on the countertop, and that, I have to tell you, is so disheartening because the answer is obvious. I didn't do anything with this. I left it all original, and I don't know, I just for some reason had faith in it, even though I shouldn't have. It's obvious I shouldn't have faith in it. Look, this is closed all the way. There's still, oops. That's as tight as it gets. And not only that, everything is original. So if you see that, the elephant skin is sort of rippled around where this was placed, and that indicates that it's not the best job. Also, it's rough, you know, it's old, it's original, but I thought at least it was functional. Why did I think that? It's the big hole on the roof of the Boler, and I just was like, nah, it's functional, it's good. Replace literally everything else, but the big hole on the roof can just be left. No. So I'm still gonna go for a walk with my dog, but I want to show you a finding that I'm gonna have to address right after. Take a look. Here we have water dripping down from here, but we also have a big bubble, a bulging, oh my gosh. I'm laughing, but I'm also screaming on the inside. So this big bubble is just water, and I'm gonna have to come back after my dog walk and poke a hole in my Boler and cover it with a tarp, and I don't know what else. So let's not derail our little adventure time. Come hang out with me on my doggy adventure, and then let's address this. Is this the spot we're gonna hang out, Willow? Willow gets a brand new ball today. Take it. Go on. All right. I need your help. You gotta take it. There we go. Love a good rainy day adventure. Where's she going? Good girl. Put that paw up, girlfriend. Paw up. Come on now. Yeah. Oh, put it up. Gotta pretend like you're gonna throw it to get the paw up. Yeah. Aw. I love it. Top-notch throwing, hey? Oh, it's a wet one. Let's go deal with that leak. All right. So I do need to puncture a drainage hole, unfortunately. So I have a bowl and it's dripping so much water. Oh my goodness. I guess right here. Oh, I feel bad doing this. Oh no. Where's it gonna drip out of? Oh, there we go. Ah, it's pouring down the cabinet too. Shoot. Ah, it's pouring out from there. Oh my gosh, water everywhere. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so sad. I don't know where to collect. So stressful. Look, the weather is reflecting how I'm feeling right now. Oh, I feel like this hole is gonna be so obvious now. Oh gosh. Why isn't it draining out of this hole? I feel like it should. There we go. Oh my goodness. This is so sad. Okay, gonna let that drain a little bit and need to cover the top with a tarp. All right, so I have these bags, these shopping bags that I've put some weight, and hopefully this will be good for hanging onto the tarp. Come on now. Oh, no. It's like the wind wants to do it for me, which is nice, but it's okay. Oh no. This is actually so dramatic. Oh, yeah. Causing damage to the body too. Wow. This is impressive, you guys. This was way more epic than I wanted it to be. Look, this was hooked underneath the body and that pulled up the fiberglass and put a big crack in it. Very frustrating.
A few moments later.
Well, that sucks. All right, I need a hot tub. I'm so cold to the core right now. So let's do that. Let's have a stormy hot tub. Drowned rat vibes. What do you think?